Welcome to this DCF Exchange video on selecting DCF Income Payments. When people first discover DCF Income Payments, they usually have quite a few questions, and it's good to do a little homework. This video will give you some more information about DCF Income Payments and a little background on DCF Exchange to help you select payment streams that are right for you. If we don't cover your questions in this or some of the other videos on the site, simply pick up the phone, schedule a time to talk with us. We can go over any questions you have. This video will definitely help you to know what you're looking at when you're looking at DCF Income Payments on the web. It'll help you know what you're looking for too if you know what your goals are. You'll understand our product a little better, and that helps you select payments and helps you download payment details and documents associated with our payment streams. As I said, call or just make an appointment to get any of your other questions answered. First, a quick background on what DCF Income Payments are. First, DCF income payments are discounted cash flows. They're payments backed by annuities issued in conjunction with structured settlements and paid by top-rated insurance carriers. Buyers become the new payee of fixed in-force payment streams that are sold at a discount by individual sellers. The discount taken by the seller means a higher yield for the buyer. There are many benefits of these assets. First and foremost, their superior credit quality and a higher yield than comparable fixed income alternatives. They also have low fees, they're highly efficient, and there's zero volatility or market correlation. You can purchase DCF income payments with cash or with qualified IRA dollars. There are no buyer age restrictions, no suitability tests as you'd find with other annuity payments. There's also no ongoing administrative, investment management, or other fees. Now, there's some nominal fees for payment servicing and IRAs, but that only applies if that's applicable to your situation. People use DCF income payments in three main ways. First, income now. That's immediate income cases. This is the least expensive way to secure period certain immediate start income. Income later would be deferred income cases. These are lower cost alternatives to period certain future payment streams, such as you would find with an index annuity or other types of annuities with income riders. The third way are what I call income options. These are lump sums, and they're used for a wide range of situations like alternatives to CDs and fixed annuities. They're used for legacy planning, college planning, charity, principal replacement, all different kinds of situations. So to get started with DCF income payments, it's good to have a clear idea of what your goals are. And people use these payments for a wide range of situations. You may have 5 to 10 years to wait until retirement, so a deferred income stream is perfect for your situation. Other folks may need to maximize Social Security and they want to wait before activating Social Security, so a period certain 5 or even 10-year income stream to fill the gap might be right for their situation. Whatever it is, DCF income payments offer a higher yield and a lower price on fixed income. So when you first encounter our website, you'll be seeing inventory on a page that looks like this. Let's take a look at the inventory page to understand the terms. First, the inventory categories come in immediate income, deferred income, and lump sum, as I said earlier with the three main uses of these payment streams. The inventory status is also shown. It's going to say in stock, in review, or in pipeline. It may also say insured. In stock, they're ready for immediate sale. Cases that are marked as in review are in our final legal review, and cases that are marked as in pipeline have earlier on in the process and maybe 30 to 45 days before you can close. Let's take a look at the inventory online, and we'll look at the filters for the different kinds of payment streams that we just talked about. Here you see the inventory on the website, and the different filters are visible right at the top. Here you see our inventory on the website, and the filters are available right on the top of the page. If you want to only see lump sums, you can unselect immediate and deferred income, and you'll only see in stock, and you'll only see lump sum cases. If you're interested only in stock lump sums, you can unselect the pipeline and review, and you'll see what we have available for immediate sale. If you're interested in things that are coming soon and you have to wait a few months, you can unselect in stock and look at the pipeline deals. If you're interested in something that is already reserved and you'd like to put a backup offer, you can select reserved. You'll notice next to each case there's a downloads button. Clicking this button will pop open a window. You can download an illustration, the payments table, or the reservation form. Note that the documents automatically download. This is the illustration. It shows the cash flow on one page, a very simple annual summary showing the total payments for each year, and a little bit of information about the payment stream itself, the rate of return, the total payout, the investment amount. The payments table shows the principal and interest for each payment over the life of the stream. In this case, We have 120 monthly payments of $490. Each monthly payment and the lump sums are shown on the schedule. The reservation form has the same case, the same payment stream, and the general information. The reservation form is what you would use to reserve the case, sending in your information for the payee, telephone number and email address for document delivery, and for banking information, we would need an account and routing number for direct deposit of income stream payments. In addition, note on the left-hand side of the case a small box. You can select multiple cases and download a combined illustration of these 3 cases. You can go up to 5, and the combined illustration consolidates multiple cash flows onto one page. Also note on this inventory page there are downloads with the buyer's guide, the executive summary, overview documentation, as well as flyers and one-page documents, all discussing the DCF income payments opportunity. In addition, on the Self-Directed IRA tab, there's information and a video about purchasers using qualified funds in self-directed IRAs. We work with GoldStar Trust Company, and their account opening paperwork is available right on this page. Let's talk for a minute about GoldStar Trust Company. GoldStar plays 3 critical roles in the DCF income payments transaction. First, they're the escrow agent. They receive and handle all the funds used to acquire cases. When you buy a payment stream from us, you'll be wiring funds into an escrow account controlled at GoldStar Trust Company. In addition, GoldStar is the payment servicer. They receive each payment from the carrier. They administer account changes such as address and banking changes for you over the life of the payment stream. They can handle beneficiary changes, addresses, and they can handle the transfer of payments to heirs or if you sell to someone else. Finally, as mentioned just a moment ago, GoldStar is a great self-directed IRA custodian for IRA purchasers. It's important to note that these are 2 different departments at GoldStar Trust. The payment servicing and dispersing department is different from the IRA department. Now, in terms of acquiring cases, the first step is to put a hold on a case. You can contact your advisor and they will put a hold by phone or by email. There's no reservation fee or deposit fee needed to hold a case. A 48-hour hold is a great way to buy yourself a little time to make sure a payment stream is going to be right for your situation. Depending on the case, the purchase timeline can be as quick as 24 or 48 hours if it's in stock. Cases that are in review are typically about 7 days before they're ready to close. Cases that are in the pipeline can require 30 to 45 days before they're ready to close. When you're using qualified funds, it's best to open your IRA when you select a case and want to reserve it. You don't necessarily need to transfer funds into the IRA, however, until the case is in review. If the case is in stock and we're ready to close, then an IRA transfer should be initiated immediately. If you still have any other questions, there are additional videos on the inventory page for purchase process and for frequently asked questions. Contact your advisor for any further information about DCF income payments, and thanks very much for your time.